Hello everyone, welcome to the 20th session of Business Statistics. In this session, we'll be discussing about the calculation of probable values of x and y based on the regression equation. The third illustration, which is based on the same format. Let us discuss one more illustration which is based on the calculation of probable value of x and y based on the regression equations. From the following data, estimate the income of a worker in branch X when the income of the worker in branch Y of the same company is known to be rupees 480 and the income of the worker in branch Y when the income of the worker in the branch X is known to be 600. So here it is a verbal problem. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ವೈ ಇದರ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ the correlation coefficient is given, that is 0.80. Based on this value, you should calculate the probable income of branch Y when X is given and probable income of X when Y value is given. Now the calculation goes like this, that is, let the income of x be the variable that is x and the income of y be the variable that is y here. So the equation will be x minus x bar is equal to r into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y into y minus y bar. So when we substitute the values into the equation, it will be x minus 1600 is equal to 0.80 multiplied by 250 by 400 into y minus 1550. By simplifying these values, it will be y minus 1600 is equal to 200 by 400 into y minus 1550. Now, after simplification, x minus 1600 will be equal to 0.5 into y minus 1550. So that after the simplification, the equation will be like this, that is x is equal to 0.5 y plus 825. So when we substitute the value of y, that is the income of branch Y, the worker in the income of branch Y, the value of x will be 1065. That is, when y is equal to 480, the probable value of x will be rupees 1065. In the same way, we should be calculating the value of y when the value of x is given by finding out the regression equation y on x and then simplifying the regression equation. Then after substituting the value of x is equal to 600 in the equation, that is y is equal to 1.28x minus 498, the answer will be y is equal to rupees 270.